Hello everyone! I'm going to show you an incredible trick, transforming a few simple household items and spare parts into a surprisingly powerful, multifunctional tool. I'm starting with a standard wooden clothes peg. I'm taking a tire valve. This small piece is surprisingly robust and will serve as a crucial part of our assembly. I'm removing it from its rubber base with a pair of scissors to isolate just the metal stem. I'll carefully remove the rubber base from the valve stem, exposing the metal core. Next, I'm going to disassemble the valve stem to separate the threaded bolt from the other components. This precision is key as we need to isolate the sturdy metal pieces. Once disassembled, I'll thread the main valve stem bolt through the center hole of the clothes peg. This creates a secure pivot point. I'll then reattach the nut and tighten it firmly with pliers. This effectively transforms the clothes peg into a small, sturdy clamp, providing a robust base for our project. Now, for something a bit unusual. I'm taking a regular AA battery and carefully cutting away its outer metal casing. This is done to extract the carbon rod inside, which is crucial for our tool's functionality. I need to be precise here to avoid damaging the inner components. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. After removing the outer shell, I'll extract the carbon rod and clean it thoroughly with a piece of tissue to ensure good conductivity. With the carbon rod prepared, I'll insert it into my drill. This allows me to easily sharpen one end of the rod using sandpaper. A sharp point is essential for concentrating heat and energy later on. Now, I'm taking a red electrical wire. I'll strip a small section of the insulation from one end with my pliers. This exposed copper will be our electrical contact. I'll attach a stripped red electrical wire to the valve, ensuring the copper strands make direct contact with the metal part of the valve. This connection is vital for electrical flow. I'll then secure the sharpened carbon rod into the valve, making sure it also connects with the exposed copper wire. To ensure safety and insulation, I'll wrap the connection point with red electrical tape. This prevents any accidental short circuits. I'm stripping the other end of the red wire and twisting the copper strands, just like before. This will connect to our power source. To complete the circuit, I'm attaching an orange alligator clip to the stripped end of the red wire. This will be our positive terminal. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. Next, I'm preparing the negative lead. I'll strip a blue electrical wire and attach a black alligator clip to it, making sure to insulate it with a sleeve. We now have our two main leads ready to connect to a power source. Now for the power. I'm taking a battery from my cordless drill. This battery pack will provide the necessary voltage and current for our tool. To interface with the battery, I'm placing two metal washers into its terminals. These will act as contact points for our alligator clips, creating a stable and secure connection. I'm connecting the orange and black alligator clips to the battery terminals. This completes our power circuit for the tool. I'm touching the graphite tip of our homemade tool to the negative alligator clip. Watch what happens. You can see the tip heating up and glowing brightly, creating sparks. This indicates that our portable heating element is working perfectly. Let's demonstrate its capabilities. I've prepared some metal strips. I'm cutting them into smaller pieces. Then I'll put them back together and use a soldering iron to weld them together. I'm using a soldering iron to spot weld these pieces of metal together. The heat concentrated from the tip quickly melts the metal, creating a strong weld. This homemade soldering iron is surprisingly effective. It's perfect for small welding or soldering tasks. This truly transforms scrap into something functional. Next, I'm taking a standard AA battery. I'm using clothespins to hold AA batteries on a piece of wood. I'm using alligator clips to secure the metal strip for soldering to the battery. I'll bring the heated carbon rod into contact with the metal strip. The concentrated heat quickly melts the metal, creating a solid connection. Perfect for battery tab welding. It glows red hot and creates a strong bond. And finally, I'll show you another amazing application: metal welding. I'm taking two screws and getting ready to weld them together. I'm attaching the negative alligator clip to one of the screws, holding it steady on the wooden base. With my homemade soldering iron, I'm touching the soldering tip to the screw, generating intense localized heat that makes the metal glow a brilliant orange. This illustrates the precision and intensity of heat we can generate with this simple device, useful for various tasks beyond just welding or cutting. like heating small metal parts for bending or shaping. This homemade tool proves that with a little ingenuity, you can create powerful solutions from unexpected items. If you found this project as fascinating as I did, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me what other unexpected tools you'd like to see me create. Don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic DIY ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.